Introducing the new KIPFold 1700. Gain folded packet versatility. The KIPFold 1700 can create crisp fan folds or cross folds that transforms intensive manual hand folding into automated cost reduction that keeps projects ahead of schedule. The KIPFold 1700 features a high-quality metal build design with unmatched folding durability and reliable performance. Fan-folded documents can be manually reinserted to produce crisp cross-folds that meet DIN, ANSI, or ARCH standard packet sizes. Single-touch automation offers walk-up convenience to quickly complete folded document sets. KIP System K software applications and drivers provide a variety of advanced finishing options, providing a range of fold styles with the ability to select and save individual folding parameters, like title block position control. The KIPFold 1700 system is compatible for full integration with the KIP Color Series and the Black and White 70 series. For more information about KIP printing, copying, scanning, or folding, visit KIP.com.